In the heart of the forest, emerald veins, where whispers of time and secrets remain. A cascade of dreams in moonlit embrace falls like silver threads through nature's grace. Celestial tear, the ethereal waters crystal clear. In the dance of the stars, it takes its flight, a river of light in the silent night. Stories on nature's floor, a symphony of droplets, a timeless refrain. In the cascades embrace, let go of all pain. Oh, cascading rhapsody, in shadows you play, guiding our souls, leading them astray. Your water's a mirror to the heavens above, reflecting the cosmos, a cascade of love. Celestial tear, the ethereal waters crystal clear. In the dance of the stars, it takes its flight, a river of light in the silent night. In the cascades whispers, the universe sings, a tale of the cosmos in crystalline strings. Through the veil of the night, it gently cascades, a beacon of dreams in twilight charades. Oh, cascade of dreams, forever you fall in the heart of the forest, answering the call. Your beauty eternal, a timeless delight, a waterfall of wonder in the embrace of night.